Claim: did Bangladesh return 63,000 tons of coal full of salt back to India? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A news report is being shared widely on social media claiming that Bangladesh rejected and returned 63,000 tons of coal back to India after finding that it was salt sample, not coal. See the claim here on X. The claim reads, Bangladesh shipped 63,000 tons of coal back to India. Turns out it was salt sample. Indian suppliers' tricky move. On-off dirt to a 1,200 megawatts power plant 2.0 be like, we burn coal, not your gardening rejects, take your shit elsewhere, not in Bangladesh. Another ex-user wrote, Bangladesh shipped back 63k tons of coal, just salt. An Indian supplier scammed a 1,200 megawatts plant, draining our dollars for years. Adani Co thrived under Hasina, dumping dirt on us. We demand real fuel, not gardening rejects. Time for accountability and energy justice. These claims can be accessed here and here. Fact check. Truth: misleading. The coal, originating from Indonesia, was moved to the outer anchorage of Bangladesh and not returned to India as claimed. However, it was an Indian company that handled the transport. Fact check details. When Digit Eye India team checked for authenticity of the news, it was found that the news was true and published here. The Business Standard quoted Najmul Haq, executive director at Matarbari coal-fired plant project, as saying, "We declined to receive the shipment and issued an official letter to the supplier on Friday." Chittagong Port Authority, CPA, sources confirmed that the Koladan vessel was sent back to the outer anchorage following instructions from CPGCL and the shipping company handling the cargo. However, the coal, transported aboard the Singapore-flagged MV Orient Orchid, which entered the Matarbari Channel on 17 March, originated from Indonesia and not India, as claimed. It was India's Meghna group of companies which has sourced the coal from Indonesia to supply it to Bangladesh CPCGL. Hence, reports stating Bangladesh sent coal back to India are misleading. The coal, originating from Indonesia, was moved to the outer anchorage, not India. However, it was an Indian company that handled the transport, but the coal's origin and destination were not India. Claim: Bangladesh has rejected a shipment of 63,000 tons of coal after detecting a significant presence of salt in the consignment. Conclusion: misleading. The coal, originating from Indonesia, was moved to the outer anchorage of Bangladesh and not returned to India as claimed. However, it was an Indian company that handled the transport. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiteye.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit Eye India.